Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. I'm sharing my process video number 138 entitled Be True, and this is my second to the last page that I've created using my January-February homemade kit. So I've pre-cut some of these papers already. Basically, I wanted them to be a diagonal border on the top and the bottom of my page. I do have a kind of a navy blue cardstock. It's a very dark blue and it matched the dress that my daughter was wearing in the photos. And then I have my white cardstock, i.e., well, not i.e., but it's not really white cardstock, but it's the backside of a pattern paper that I no longer care for. So that's how I maximize the supplies that I have and make sure that I use up the items that is in my stash. Anyways, I started off with three 4x6 photos, and I trimmed the two vertical ones smaller so that they don't take up too much space on my page. And I have layered some stickers. So, excuse me, the well done sticker was a clear sticker from SRM Stickers, and then I put that on like a frame sticker sheet, a white one, and then I've added that with some foam adhesive, and then I had stamped those flowers and leaves on cardstock. I actually stamped them on colored cardstock and then trimmed them out. I just stamped them with black because I wanted the shape to come. I wanted the image to look black, but then I wanted it on a colored cardstock. I hope that makes sense. And then I fussy cut them. And then have this banner that I wanted to finish off, and it was just a triangle banner, and I stamped the date there. These photos were actually taken in 2014, and it's just a photo of my daughter getting an award at school, and then she has a picture with the rest of the students in her class that got an award, as well as her classroom teacher. Now I have this 4x4 card from Simple Stories, and it had the word "what happened," and I want to add some kind of the hand pointing stickers on there, and I'm going to do that once I've adhered everything. Now I was looking at the photos on the left, and it just seemed like it was missing something. Like it was just, I don't know, I felt like it was floating, and so I wanted to kind of do something with that, and I pulled out, I'm looking at my papers here trying to see what can I do on that side, and I'm thinking maybe I could put like a border there, and I am going to go with the same exact cardstock that I had used for the background, and I'm going to punch out a scallop border there, and then I'm going to add that to the page. Now initially I was thinking well, I could do a long strip on the left and then a long strip on the right to kind of balance it out, but you can see me later change my mind. So I hope that you're liking my process videos that I put out on YouTube. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and so that YouTube will know that people are watching the videos that I create, especially with this new rule that they have for monetization. You never know what they do with small channels, right? So anyways, I've punched out the scallop, and I just used the Fiskars scallop punch. That's one of my favorites right now. As you can see, I haven't adhered anything, and I will adhere that actually off camera. I've run out of my ATG gun, and so I'm using a lot of glue dots adhesive, which is a little bit more time consuming than my usual runner tape runner adhesives, but I am in a spending freeze, and I want to use up the stuff that I have before I go and buy something. So as you can see, I was trying to see, well, what if I double that up and just stick it there? And it's nice. Like I'm looking at it right now, and I like it, but I ended up just going with one of those strips on the left side, and then I am going to just do one 4-inch strip on the right to just fill in or to go next to the 4x6 photo. So I've adhered everything already. I did type my journaling here so that and I just cut that in a block, and then I'm trying to use up some of these clear stickers from the sticker sheet that I pulled out for my kit, and it had some stars, and I thought the stars would work well with this particular theme of this layout. And I don't know if you guys are a stickler for like making sure the shapes are not like contradicting each other. I know I have flowers already there, and then I have the stars, but I don't know. I go with what looks good, and sometimes I want to use up some products, so I just layer it all in there. But I mean, it's okay. The one thing that I have to say with this layout is I did not like the title so much, but I wanted to use up that sticker sheet. So here are some close-ups, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.